Hey y'all, Edward the Lego Texan here with another speed build for you. Today we're building set 75322, Lego Star Wars Hoth ATST. This is a 9+ set, 586 pieces, and released on January 1st, 2022. I've actually had this set in my backlog for a few months. My wife picked it up for me at Walmart. I got it at clearance. You can tell by the sticker, although the box is in great shape, so I just managed to get a deal on it. I'm going to be building this and displaying this with my Mandalorian ATST walker that I have on my top shelf behind me here. Looking forward to building this. The minifigures look really cool. You got a nice looking Chewbacca with snow effect on it, and a nice little individual printing for Chewbacca. Cool Rebel Trooper and the ATST driver, and I'm liking the brick built probe droid. Since I missed out on the larger set that came out a couple years ago, this is gonna be a nice little build to do too. So that's enough info about this. Let's get to it. Hey y'all, welcome back for my review of the Hoth ATST Walker, and here is the completed model. Lots of couple shades of gray in this one, very, very light gray, then like a medium gray, and then a dark gray spread throughout the entire build. Some Technic thrown in, especially on the leg joints. You can see some of that here on the sides here. Full range of motion. There's a knob on the back right here that you twist and the head will rotate a full 360. Makes a very good play feature, or for those who make, short Lego films or whatever, this is a good feature to have here. Also, the top hatch opens either here, or you can actually deal with the entire thing right here as well. There is a small little like a control console on the inside. That's a printed part right there. That's pretty neat. No stickers in this set at all, which was a welcome relief. A lot of repetitive builds. I found a lot of the Star Wars vessels and machinery, especially the stuff that's like, like a pure machine, not like co-opted or wrecked or whatever, is very symmetrical. So you saw me do a lot of symmetrical builds. Like I built one leg on camera and built the other one off camera to save some film time, of course. And I did some of the smaller stuff on the head part of this, all at once while I had the camera turned down. So I wanted to keep up, down with the camera. Just an editing choice for me. I think it looks pretty cool to do it all in one level and then put everything on all at once. Don't do that too often, but in this build, it seemed to be necessary. It's gonna be a very nice display piece. In addition to the actual build, we also got a small Imperial Probe Droid mini build, which is really neat. I missed out on the chance to pick up the larger buildable Probe Droid that was sold as a set in the diorama series, I believe is what that part was part of. Although this Probe Droid is actually very nice. Lots of little itty-bitty part usage. There's an antenna in here, lots of studs, some droid arms in dark gray. Good part usage. I like that they actually display it. Got one of those transparent bars connected to this corner plate. I like that a lot. Minifigure selection. We have honestly a really nice looking ATST driver. Head printing. The chin strap is a head print, as well as the visor, the shades on top of the visor are also printed. Very cool little piece. Then we have the Hoth Rebel Trooper. Not as much printing. There's some printing on the front torso. No leg printing, no arm printing. Nice generic white backpack, and the visor is adjustable. It can either go on top of the hat or in front of the face. And then the Chewbacca that comes with this set comes armed with a little stud shooter. And looking closely, he does have a Hoth print detail on his torso, which I think is really cool. Stands it apart from every other generic Chewbacca in a Lego set, which I think is really nice. This is actually the second of an ATST type walker that I have built. So we have this one here that was in today's set, and a long time ago, before I started filming all my builds, I built I forgot the name of this one, but this one was featured in The Mandalorian, the first season of The Mandalorian TV show. So lots of sticker parts. This was like a rebuilt walker built by some not Empire, but other group after the Empire fell, and during the time of The Mandalorian. I'm going to actually have these displayed side by side, my second walker. So I'm going to have both my walkers, next to each other on my shelf. I think that's going to be a pretty cool little display piece. Looking forward to doing that. And that actually concludes my review of this set today. I hope that you enjoyed the build. Hope you enjoyed my review. If you like what you've seen, please drop a like and subscribe. And also please subscribe to my other socials. I also have an Instagram account and a TikTok account, which I will link both of those in the description if you choose to follow me there. That And that does it for today. Thanks for watching and keep on building. Bye.